I'm Nadia Dunn. Welcome to IDX TV. We're here at the Package Fulfillment, Logistics and Delivery Expo in Cincinnati. And I'm delighted to be joined by Lucian from ARKA. Hey Lucian, thank you for coming.
Hi Nadia, thank you for having me here.
Now tell us a bit about ARKA, the background of the company and your role.
Well, we've worked many years in industrial automation for automotive and aviation industry, and some of the European partners, clients in courier industry, asked us to develop automated systems for their warehouses, and then they asked us to develop smart locker which fitted their needs. So right now we are very concentrated in a smart locker industry. We have a very big factory in Romania, and highly automated, as we learned in automotive and aviation industry. And we are very concentrated on controlling all aspects of quality, starting from design, manufacturing, and of course our own software, dedicated software.
And
This
tell
is
us
it.
about the changes over the last couple of years. We've seen the e-commerce boom. There's been many changes. How have you adapted to those changes and challenges?
Well, we are very flexible. This is our in our DNA, because, as I told you, we were working for many years in automotive industry, where everything in the production line automation is custom. So we have a very high power of adaptability, and this is why the biggest courier from Romania works with us, because we can produce exactly what he needs, and we are very flexible regarding the product and deployment of the product in the street. Uh, well, in the last years, I think I know that all the couriers are concentrating in developing very powerful fleets of smart lockers, because the efficiency is like 600% more for one courier who delivers a parcel to a smart locker, and is more convenient for the customer who doesn't have to meet with the courier, or doesn't have the risk of porch piracy, right?
Yeah.
So there are so many advantages, even the impact on the environment, when there are a lot less trips with the minivans and so on. So right now we have this solution, even the fact that we have an agnostic software which allows the owner of the network to share the unused space in the locker with other interested companies. So the impact of the investment on his cash flow is smaller. So we are working on a lot of points that can improve the experience of the customer, but also the investment of big courier companies, logistic companies, postal companies.
And what's the unique selling point of ARKA's? What makes your lockers different to your competitors?
Well, there are more points than one. For example, as I told you before, we have the flexibility to build mass production after we customize every aspect as the courier knows, and we implement his know-how in the product, so it fits his processes. And we also have inside of ARKA a policy, because we are working with big customers. Uh, we uh, we are investing in production lines, and give these production lines only to one customer. So if you have a customer in Germany or United States, we are making an assembly line, a production line, just for his product. So he will never wait for other orders to be finished. He will have a production line without any extra cost from us. So this is one or two of the points, and of course the software, which is done in partnership with a software corporation, Stefanin it's called, and it's our software. We are owners of the software, but we have their engineers all over the world. Only in United States, more than 4,500 IT engineers. So we are very powerful also in this software area, and we are ready for any challenges that could have a big company like, let's say, FedEx or UPS or USPS or Amazon. We are ready to serve them and meet every expectation.
Well, moving on from that, do you have any future developments? Are you going to be working with any of those names, or can you share with us any strategies over the next year?
Well, we have some developments. We have some products that or are in the locker area, right? We have some ultra secure lockers that will allow government and other sensitive area to make deliveries through our lockers. Of course, we are working very hard to patent these developments, but I really do believe, and it's not just me, some of our clients, of course, do believe that could be game changers for the locker industry, because these developments are opening new ways to use the locker in new markets, which are right now off limits.
Well, good luck with the future and the rest of the event, Lucian.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, and thank you for watching IDX TV, brought to you by CCL.